Maritime construction companies build, repair, and modernize the waterfront infrastructure that powers global trade, transportation, and coastal communities. From ports, terminals, piers, docks, ferry landings, bulkheads, seawalls, and bridges to dredging, shoreline stabilization, and offshore energy infrastructure. These companies deliver the projects that keep goods moving, strengthen supply chains, protect coastlines, and support economic growth. But not every maritime construction company and its local supplier, workforce, and community partners deliver the same value. For port authorities, government agencies, infrastructure owners, developers, utilities, investors, and coastal communities, choosing the right maritime construction partner requires more than technical expertise. The most trusted companies demonstrate engineering excellence, safety, responsible procurement, regulatory readiness, local supplier participation, workforce development, and measurable community benefits. Before selecting a maritime construction partner, ask 3 important questions. How will this project create opportunities for local suppliers and small businesses? What measurable workforce and community benefits will this investment deliver? How will your company engage local stakeholders and demonstrate its community impact? While every waterfront project is unique, the answers reveal whether a company is simply building marine infrastructure or creating lasting value for the communities it serves. Local content is the measurable economic value created through local suppliers, local workforce, and community benefits. Local Content's Most Trusted Maritime Construction Companies list, part of the Local Content Most Trusted Companies program, recognizes organizations that complete additional due diligence, demonstrating leadership in responsible infrastructure development, workforce development, stakeholder engagement, safety, and measurable local economic impact. Explore the Local Content Most Trusted Maritime Construction Companies list and learn how to earn Local Content certification by visiting localcontent.com/list.